Hey there, I'm going to wrap up my handle project here and do a little polish on it. And I had to move it out a little bit, and I'm going to cut on that knob part of it a little bit. And it takes me about an hour and a half to make one of these handles, and it's kind of a fun thing to do, kind of an old-time thing like hand sharpening drill bits. So anyway, I'll get back on that. I hope you're all having a great time and a good day. Get out in your shop and have some fun. Okay, I'll get on to that. And we'll look down on it here, see where we're at. Okay, I'll get the machine all warmed up and start going on it. That looks good. Let me see. Pretty darn close. It's not bad. The material's a little smaller, but I'm calling it good. Okay. Okay, just got a little bit left here. That little tiny spot there, got a Axelson magic cut file here. Magic cut, because it's magic. I'll just knock that off. This is a pre-hard steel that got kind of gummy in the middle, like it does. And it makes a nice handle. Yeah, just knock that down. Put a little emery cloth to it. Yeah, looking good. It's going to get warm today, but not too hot. I hope you folks are doing okay. So far, we're doing okay with wildfires, and I hope you're all doing okay with that. Okay, can you see what I'm doing here? There we go. Just go from every direction. I'll rotate it. Yeah, see? Try from that side for a little bit. Yeah. This is a lot of fun to do for me. I enjoy this. I've probably made more than a dozen handles. I'm trying to think of all the machines I've made missing handles for. It's usually a winter project. But when you're retired, every project's a winter project, right? Almost totally retired. I'm still going to do a few things. Oh, look at that, it's just feeling so good. I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees. Yeah. Really nice. Give it another 90. Get it with that Magica. I tell you, a lot of times people have brought me stuff to be milled, and I milled it with a Magica. I go, how did you set that up? It was magic. You don't want to tell everybody that. You know, you can keep some secrets. Yeah. I'm going to go find that little strip of emery cloth here. Let's go ahead and get this on. Rotate it. I'll tighten it up here. I have the pin out of that. I've got to keep that in the center. This vise here has a movable rear jaw. It makes it pretty nice for grabbing odd things. Oop, drop that thing. Rotate that. Yeah. Yeah, see, you can grab something like that this way, even though, see how it conforms? You can really snug into something like that. See, I can do this, and look it in like that. I think you can see it better, huh? I'll rotate it a little bit. Oh, this is great. Now this is going to make threading on that Axelson similar to threading on the Monarch 10EE, which I'm going to demonstrate tonight. That's going to be fun. We'll do some thread demonstrations on the Monarch 10EE. Because it operates similar to the Axelson with the reverse function. Okay, got it. One more 90 there. I think I'm going to get pretty close. I hope you guys are doing good on your projects. I know a lot of you are real busy. I know the blade's been busy on his, but it's been hot too, so I can kind of dodge the heat here sometimes. The neighbor was complaining about Chloe barking at 2:30 in the morning, so I gotta be cool here now. But I am determined to move to a better location. And I think that's going to be exciting. I'm going to make it a big surprise and not tell anybody until it actually happens. Because there's too many out there that can't keep a secret. You know. Okay. Is this a secret laboratory? Where millwrights do stuff. There's Chloe! Hi, Chloe! Oh, we got oh, there she comes. What is up? What are you doing? This is a surprise appearance. You've been under the truck chasing things. Heaven's sakes. She's gonna make the rounds. Okay, we'll get back to work here. That's the animal moment in this menagerie. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna go grab that fine stuff. Oh, here it is. Got some 320 here. Where you going, sweetie? You want me to get you something to eat? Okay, I gotta get Chloe something. I'll be back. I thought I'd better show exactly where this lever goes. Someone asked me about these levers, and this one here is the half nut lever, and then this, I think this one is asking about, this one here is the feed direction lever. And when you put it in neutral, then you can use the half nuts, you know, like most lathes. So that's the feed direction lever. This is the half nut lever, and this is the cross feed and longitudinal feed. So it's not too complicated. The only other thing it's got is this bevel gear thing attached to this rod that goes all the way back there and up to the top of the headstock and shifts the thing from the apron. And the stock factory levers are often gone because this mechanism gets worn and sloppy, and they kind of stick out like this, and they start getting lower and lower and lower and start skidding into the pan. And that's because of some parts in the headstock that shift the clutch get more. One of these days I'm going to fix that, because this machine definitely has that. So that's one of the reasons why they take these off. And they're longer, and they have a weird shape to them, and a black plastic ball on the top. Now this thing here is short, and let me stand up here, and it's going to really stick out. I don't have that handle pressed in all the way yet, but I'll be able to grab that and throw my weight into it, and hopefully be able to work it even though it's short. Okay, I will be back.